Hey guys, so I'm just vlogging this video right now, and I'm just chilling out. I'm just enjoying my summer break, and yeah.
Hey, you need to be doing your summer reading.
But that's boring.
Yeah, you need to highlight stuff in that book and read that book.
Fine. I hate doing this.
Yeah, it's your summer work. You gotta do it though.
Uh, fine.
Okay, I have to go and load the dishwasher. You keep working, okay?
Okay. Hey guys, so my mom just left to do the dishes, so I really don't want to do this work, so I'm just gonna hide this screen marker so I don't have to do the work. I don't know where else to hide it, so I'm gonna hide it in here. In the washing machine. I don't think that'll be a problem.
Hey, why aren't you working?
I lost the marker.
What? Well, you better go find it. You need to do that work. Oh, is this done?